Hello and welcome to the Titus Timeout podcast. I'm Jenny Abney-Civey, and I've spent a lot of time lately working on fan coils, blower coils, and air handlers, so I thought I'd take some time to discuss different fan types. The two basic fan types used in HVAC are axial and centrifugal fans. In an axial fan, the airflow moves parallel to the shaft. It looks kind of like this, where there's some sort of frame and a prop on the inside and the air passes straight through it. This would be your typical ceiling fan at home or a prop fan that you've seen many times on buildings or even on your computer. In centrifugal fans, air comes to the center of the fan and is blown out at a right angle. So it looks a little bit like this, where it's kind of a blower. The air comes in here and it is spun towards the outside of the wheel and it comes out the discharge of the blower. A lot of times you'll hear axial fans called fans and centrifugal fans called blowers or squirrel cages. There are also mixed flow fans, which is kind of a combination of axial and centrifugal fans, but I'm not going to really get into that in today's podcast. Okay, let's move this out of the way. Each type of fan also has several different fan wheel or impeller designs. We'll start with axial. This is basically the fan I drew just a minute ago when I showed the axial fans. The first type is the propeller type. This is what most people think of when they think of a fan. It can have any number of fan blades and different blade shapes, but they typically have a small hub. They usually operate under 1 inch of static pressure and have high flow rates. They're best for circulating air. There are also vane axial fans. These are similar to prop fans, except for they have large hubs. They're usually tubular in design, and so they would just go in line with your ductwork. They have large hubs and then the fan blades here. They're more suited to medium to higher pressures up to 6 inches. And this 1 inch with static pressure as well. So let's move this out of the way and look at centrifugal fans. Centrifugal fans can have radial blades, radial tip blades, backward inclined, backward curved, forward curved, or airfoil blades. So let's look at each one of these. Radial blades look kind of like this. Let's draw our blower, and then a wheel on the inside, and the radial blades are really just straight and they radiate out to the edge. Radial tip blades look kind of like this. So again, we'll draw our blower and our wheel. Now the radial tip blades have a slight curve to them, and the edge that comes in contact with the wheel hub is not exactly perpendicular. They lean back just a little bit. This may not be obvious in my excellent artwork. Radial and radial tip fans can handle higher pressures than most fans. Next, let's look at backward inclined fans. They look kind of like this. Again, draw our blower and our wheel and our hub in here. And now the blades are just tilted backward from the hub. Backward curved blades are similar to backward inclined, except for the blades are curved. So again, our wheel and our hub, and we'll curve the blades backward. Airfoil blades are similar to backward inclined, but instead of having a flat blade like the backward inclined had, these blades are shaped like an airfoil or an airplane wing. So again, with our blower and our wheel inside, and the blades kind of look like this. So they are thicker and shaped like an airfoil. So again, in case my artwork does not quite show what the blade looks like, it kind of looks like this, like an airplane wing. The airfoil design makes it the most efficient of the centrifugal fan wheel types. Next, there's forward curved. It kind of looks like this. Let's draw our blower and our wheel. The blades are curved slightly forward, just like the name implies. Forward curved blowers are typically what's used in fan-powered VAV boxes. They tend to be lightweight and operate at slower speeds than other types of wheels. I should probably draw in the blower rotation, so the wheels are going this way and the airflow is coming out the discharge that way on all of these wheel drawings. Let's bring everything back onto the screen. Okay, so that's an overview of the different types of fans and wheel types. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for taking a time out with us.